Alright YouTube, Male Cality here again. As you can see behind me, I redid my wall mount computer. I kind of recycled my 1700X that I had and ditched the server motherboard thing, and I'm just going to use this for my Plex and home server. Did some other modifications to make it look a little cleaner. Still have to hide some cords, what and not and whereabouts and whatnots. Anyway, yeah, if you saw some of my earlier videos with the riser cable and stuff where I did feature this thing, I got a lot of hate on my wall mount build. I still think it's cool. I got a lot of compliments from people. Great conversation starter with friends and family. Because, well, guess what? It's on the wall. Everyone sees it. You know, it's just right there for everyone to see. So it's a great conversation starter. Let's fire it up. Oh, power on. Boom. I got dust filters on the fans. I got RGB on the side thanks to this really nice motherboard. Pump is sadly kind of noisy. The fans are kind of noisy. Excuse me. My goodness. I can turn some lights off. Alright, and for the most part, I got some of the background, behind the wall, behind the board, RGB lighting working. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it now. Hopefully people like it a little bit better. And at the end of this here, you can see the montage of me dismantling and refurbing this whole thing to make it better. Obviously still not perfect. I'm not the handiest, craftiest, nor am I very nitpicky when it comes to how good something is. This has been a work in progress for years for me, honestly. And I'm sure it will be for a while. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think it looks a lot cleaner. I think it looks a lot nicer than it did. Especially with my new fittings. As you saw in my eBay cheap fitting video. Yeah, I'm a lot happier with it. Hopefully people will flame me a little less for it. Or maybe they'll flame me more for it because they think it's stupid and maybe they're just jealous. I don't know. I think it's cool. Stay tuned for the montage building of it video. Thanks.